We're gathered here today, this morning, to celebrate a really remarkable milestone. 140 years of excellence and growth and community at Kingsley.
I love Kingsley because we get to see everyone every morning and it just makes me smile.
I love Kingsley in every way because it makes me feel happy in every way.
Kingsley pushes me to be the best I can be and gives me the confidence to challenge myself thanks to the immense kindness of everyone here.
Talk about the pride in community and how this feels like a family, and this is very much something that you can feel and you can see, and the way in which that comes out in how we behave and how we support each other is actually truly special.
It means community, it means hope, it means togetherness, and it means excellence. Happy birthday, Kingsley!
Happy 140th birthday, Kingsley!
Happy birthday, Kingsley!
Happy birthday, Kingsley!